Hello, this video is to teach and show how to change an image on your WordPress site. So the first step is to log in, which I've already done, to your site. Then you want to navigate to the location where the image is that you want to change. So you would click on the left panel here of Pages to show all of your pages. And when that loads, we'll go to the home page here. Home page, and see what it looks like here. And this is to edit. And then you can see this image here. This is the basic first logo image that comes up. So we have the background, these columns here, and then the image is in this section here. So if you move your mouse into the image, then these icons appear of things you can do to that section. So the edit one is this one here with the square and the pencil in it. If you move your cursor on it, it says edit element, which is what we want to do. So click edit element, and it brings up the options to edit the element, the image that's been loaded. So even if there wasn't an image already there, this same screen would come up, and you can choose to insert an image there if you want to load a different image. And it'll show you all the images that have already been used or uploaded to your site. You can scroll through and select those. Let's say you haven't uploaded the image you want to use. You click Upload Files, select the file to upload, and it'll bring up your Windows Explorer. You navigate to where on your computer the image is. So the computer must already be on your computer. We'll go to this image holding area, go to a cropped image here, and we'll use this microphone as an example. Open that up, and preferably the image has already been optimized so it is small enough so it doesn't take too long to load. I created another video showing how to optimize images to reduce their size. So you can see the image is uploaded here, and you can choose different settings here if you want to give it some titles or text to go along with it. Choose Insert here. An image appears there as a new image. Then you can choose how to style it. If you want a circle, if you want no styling, how the image aligns, other advanced sections such as hovering, as in when you hover over it, the image increases, different things like that. So that's the basic way to change an image. So I hit escape so it did not change the image itself. So let's scroll down to some other options here. So here again is image of the therapist on this site. So this button here again changes it. And let's say you just want to change some of the advanced settings, whether it hovers or not. So you can click here, or back to content if you want to change the image. Again, click insert image there. That's the basic methods there. And you can see it's very light here. You can see there's a little bit of this brown grass and the ocean there. When we're on the actual home page, it's much clearer there, but on the editing site, you can barely see it there. But let's say you want to change this background. So you look at what boxes are here. So the initial box here is the text box, or the top box, the highest level, is here with the text in it. If you want to edit the text, you would go here. If you want to edit what's holding the text, you click here. But what's holding all of this is this box here. So there's this hierarchy of whatever is on top, you see here, and then underneath it is here, and underneath it is here. So the lower it is, the higher to the left it is. So this box, this window, is what is behind all of this. So we want to edit that section. It's called a color section. And this looks a little different because it's a color section. But we're going to look at the styling and the background image. So the background image, so this is what the image actually looks like. We couldn't see it too clearly. So this is the background image that's there. So you can change and put a different background image by clicking Insert Image. The same dialogues appear for that. And you can change different options with it. So the position of it, if it repeats or if it stretches to fit it, if there's a video you have there. Overlay is important. So an overlay is what makes an image either brighter or darker or more transparent or less transparent. So here's the description here. You can set it on a scale of 0 to 1. So right now it's at 0.5. and that's an overlay. So if it's at 0.1, 0.2, it is barely visible, going to be very light. If it's 0.9, 1.0, it's completely opaque and full brightness. That matters for the image we were just looking at because we wanted it to be some more subdued in the background. Also, if you want to have an image on top but have it transparent, you can see the things behind it as a more advanced feature. That's why it's talked about opacity or transparency of the overlay. And you can even use different color, which again is very more advanced. But you can experiment and try different colors for the overlay. Black just makes it black. That's the basic settings there for the background image. So let's say we made some changes. We want to see what they look like. So you update it to make the changes. It takes usually about 5 seconds to update. And then you click preview. It'll load the website in preview mode, while still keeping a different tab open for the editing. You can scroll down and you can see what we're just looking at, but on the actual website. So again, this is what we were looking at with the image of the therapist here on the right, and the background image of the ocean and the grass there. Continue to scroll down, you see these other areas, so each of these can be changed as well. You can change these colors, you can change these pictures as well. Since these are set up to load as tiles like this based on the section they link to, there's a more advanced way to change those images. So I'll make another video showing how to change these images. This next section is similar. I'll move back to the editing page to see the difference here. So that get in touch, what it looks like here, it looks like this. The text is here. You can barely see the compass in the background. So again, if you want to edit the text, you click that edit element. You can edit the text. Or if you want to edit what's behind the text, and you look at the window here that's above it and to the left slightly, and click edit that section. And then go to styling, you can change, and then background image to change the background image. These sections, if you want to clone the section, you click this and it makes it identical copy right below it. So if you really liked how that looked but want to change it for a different section, you hit the clone. Or if you want to delete it, delete section, and then it's back to where we were. So there's some of the basic options involved around changing images. I'll create another video, like I said, for this section, this areas of treatment section, because it's unique. And I'll create a video also showing how to start from scratch and add new images.